Okay. Oh, and I also told the group in the other session, my internet went out and I am working off of my telephone hotspot at the moment. I am pretty sure I have enough data, but I have never tested it as an hour-long Zoom meeting on my data plan. So, and I don't have unlimited. So, hopefully this gets us through the training today or for this. But today is a play along. I want you to do some work and to tell me when you get stuck on things or find out that it's working well for you. Our objective for today is to take we're actually going to start, you don't have to start at this point if you don't want to. We are going to take a PDF document and we are going to turn that PDF document into a Word document. And then we're going to take that Word document and we are going to go through using styles and using the styles to create a heading structure and basically a structure, and to use the word accessibility tests to make sure that we are creating a document that is fully accessible and that we can turn back into a PDF and post on our website. So I'm going to use a library as an example today, but as I said, this really should be something that you're doing with your own materials. So go ahead, take a minute, find, if you want to start from I have a PDF that I want to turn backwards and create a template. You can follow along with that, or you can just pick up at the creating of a new Word document if that works better for you. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen, but I'm probably going to be calling on people along the way so that you see what the process is looking like. But we have, I'm on the Dresser website, the Geraldine E. Anderson Village Library in Dresser, Wisconsin website. And like many of our website libraries, they post their library board agendas in minutes. And starting with the website accessibility rules in 2026, these are going to need to be, or 2027, depending which year, probably 2027 for you. All of these documents are going to need to be accessible. So we're going to work with accessible PDFs, making a template, and then going forward how they would be an accessible document. So I'm going to start with the board meeting notice and agenda. This should be fairly straightforward. I'm going to download her and open the Dresser Library's agenda. So probably most libraries for your library board agenda, you are using a template. You're using a document that you just go in, you change the dates, you change the times, you change the action or the agenda items, but for the most part, this stays the same each month. What we can do is just see how good we're doing on the accessibility to begin with. So the first place we're going to go to is pavepdf.org, and I will put this into chat. So step one, see if check accessibility of a PDF. And you can do that here with this resource. We're going to do this in English. And so we're going to start Pave. And with this one, I just downloaded the document, so I'm going to upload my file. I need to save this where I can actually find it though. Save as. Downloads. And I'm going to open it. And this will tell me how close I am to having an accessible PDF to begin with. And so it did 31 automatic corrections, which is nice. If you have just a single document, you can go ahead and have it do it. But it's saying that the language is not specified, content is not tagged, and there's some other things. So we could see the issue details, that the elements in green were fixed. And then these are the problem elements up at the top where there's an untagged element that doesn't know what to do with because it's a logo, and then it doesn't know what to do with these items up at the top here. So that's just a kind of a starting point. It's not, because it's mostly text, the document is mostly okay, but there are some accessibility issues. So I'm going to go to my next step, and because I'm going to say I don't have a Word document of this one to work with, I only have a PDF. So in the case where you're stuck with a PDF document that you want to turn back into a Word document for future use, here's a tool that will do that for you. Now, you may have a paid subscription to Adobe or Nitro Pro or something. We never had anything like that because we didn't do enough work with PDFs. And so this is one of my favorite websites. It's called ilovepdf.com. And basically, it lets you do anything you need to do on a small basis to a PDF. So in this case, what I also like, this is also PDF to JPEG, and JPEG, it'll turn it into a PDF. You can rotate your PDF, you can merge and split PDFs, lots of tools available here. In this case, I want to do PDF to Word. So I'm going to select my PDF file, and I'm going to pull up that board notice agenda and open that up. And I'm not going to do anything with OCR because that's a paid piece, because that's basically what we're going to be addressing is some of the OCR. And then I can download this as a Word document. A note about using Word versus Google Docs or other open documents and some of the other ones. Word is, I'm not necessarily putting all of my eggs in the Microsoft basket and telling you to buy Microsoft, but when it comes down to accessibility, the Microsoft Office, mostly Word, to some extent Excel, and PowerPoint, especially PowerPoint, have the best accessibility features built into them. So right now I am telling everybody to use Word and PowerPoint because they are better than Google Docs. They are better than the open documents when it comes to open source documents, when it comes to accessibility. Okay, so I have downloaded and I have created a document. Now, like I said, this is an interactive activity. Before I move on, where's everybody at? Give me a note in chat. Give me a thumbs up if you can figure out how to react appropriately. Are you guys following along? Do you have a document ready and open in Word to follow along with today? Okay, Christy's got one. We got a thumbs up from Megan. Got a thumbs up from Sarah. I see Diane.
And I use exactly what you're using.
Okay.
I use PDF, love PDF. So, yep.
I love PDF. It's just there and it's saying, oh, and plus it's from the EU, so they've got all the permissions, all the privacy permissions built in. So they're actually based out of Spain, so they don't keep any of your data. It's amazing.
Yeah.
Okay, we got, oh, Zamzar.com. Okay, yes, Stacy uses Zamzar.com. That's another option to I Love PDF. I just happened to hit upon I Love PDF. Cute PDF is another option, but Zamzar is fine too. That's another perfectly good option for that, as long as you've got your tool. Okay, so I'm going to hope that you guys are following along okay. This is where the rubber hits the road. Learning to use Word's accessibility features, and they're actually pretty straightforward. I am going to, hopefully you can see my cursor down here. The easiest way to start with this is actually if you go down to the very bottom of your screen where you see page and number of word count and language, there is the accessibility, I guess accessibility, not menu, but it's an indicator down in your very bottom toolbar. Do you all see that okay? It's kind of itty bitty. But when you click on that, and in my case, it does say investigate, it is going to open on the far right-hand side, in my case, it opens an option or the menu for accessibility assistant. If you do not see it down below, what you can do is go up to your ribbon where it says File, Home, Insert, Draw, Design, and in the middle it says Review. And then probably like the fifth one over, it says Check Accessibility. So you can also get into it from there. So down at the very bottom, there is accessibility. If you don't see that, go into Review and click on Check Accessibility up at the top. And it will actually like give you the option for a navigation pane. There's a couple tools here that we're going to look at in a second. But I want to open the accessibility assistant that comes up on the right-hand side. Has everybody got that? So this is going to do several things. It's going to check for the same things that we check for on our website, which is color and contrast. It's going to check for media and illustrations. It's going to check tables, which it is something on our websites, but you guys don't get involved in very much. The document structure, which is huge, and document access and what we have there. So the color and contrast is going to look for any hard to read text. And in this case, I have a blue check mark on mine. Does everybody have a contrast check on theirs? Okay. Are we all good on our contrast?
To read text contrast because I had to do some of it in red for the meeting.
And that's red on white doesn't really, they're going to say it doesn't show up. Yeah. So that's a hard one. And sometimes you have to just let that go. Okay, so you don't have the list. Yours shows inspection results on the right, missing alternative text and or object not in line. Okay, there may be some different, and I don't know. Okay, red logo, no issues with that. Let's see what else we got going on. Christy doesn't have the exact same menu. There may be, depending on what version of Word you're using. I'm using Office 365. And I admit I haven't tested this on other versions. It may come up with some different things in the assistant here. What we're mostly looking for ourselves is, I think there's a lot of missing alt text. If you have a logo on your document, especially, the missing alt text is going to be one of the major things you need to work with. And then this document structure is what we actually need to work with. So here it has the missing alt text. It's seeing, because what this agenda has is it has text boxes. So it is actually reading the text box as an image as opposed to like an actual part of your text of your document. So if I see here, I click on that missing alt text over on the side, it sees this over here as something that is actually missing an alt text, even though it's got text inside of it. So there's a couple things we can do with that. But also what we need to do is address the logo piece itself. If you're having trouble navigating, and here is where this other piece in the ribbon where it says check accessibility, it will open a navigation pane on the left-hand side, which I think is actually really handy because this tells you exactly how a screen reader is going to navigate your document. So if you want to see what is going to get read, it is going to say, it's going to read call to order, and then it's going to go down to agenda, and it's going to go down to minutes, and it's going to go down to actions and reports down here. If this is not working for you yet, this means that we need to address the styles and the structure of your document, which is what we will do as soon as we finish looking at what needs to happen in the accessibility. In the case of this one, then the other thing that I want to look at is, where's my layers list? Selection pane. So if you have a bunch, and I'm going to back up here so you can see what I just did. There, we were in the review and we were looking at check accessibility and the options for accessibility here, or the navigation for the accessibility. I'm going to go over, because these are seeing it as shapes. These are text boxes and the logo, and it's seeing them as shapes, and they're all kind of mushed on top of each other. So in this case, I want to show you how to tease out some of this. If you come over to shape format and the selection pane, it's going to give you your ability to select your individual text boxes and your images because they're grouped together in some different ways. So if you have something like this, and this may apply to a poster, this may apply to a newsletter, this may be something that you would need in order to add that accessibility to like a brochure. But if you have this, I'm going to click on this text box 9 piece right here. And I think in this case, because it's set up as this, I'm actually want to add the alt text to the text box itself. And I'm just going to make the entire text that the alt text. So now I did do this the other day. I've selected it. Okay. No, it's not going to let me. Oh, it's grayed out the alt text. That's lovely. Oh, well, that's really helpful. This may actually require a slightly different approach than what Leanne has going on, and we can talk to her about it. I had thought usually when I come in here and it's a shape or it's an image, you can add alt text right here, but it is grayed out on me. Maybe I need to ungroup. Oh. This is what I get for just grabbing something and running with it. Okay, well, let's try image 5. I think they're all grouped together. I think that's what's going on. I need to ungroup them. It's not letting me do that. Okay, fine. And this actually may also be a result of me taking a Word document and turning it into a PDF. So, or taking a PDF and turning it into a Word document. So I think I'm going to break apart everything she's got going on here. I'm going to cut that apart. Come on. Copy this. Delete that. So give you guys a chance to work on your own projects. Now I'm down to, I really like to keep that logo if I can. Okay. Here I've got that all broken out. Your format, wrap text, square, tight.
Yeah, it becomes a text formatting layering nightmare.
Yep.
I see that.
But I think now that I've got everything out of text boxes, it might not be formatted exactly the way she has it, but I'm going to be happy with the way that is. And this. Okay. So I've broken out all of her thing or all of the things into separate. They're no longer in text boxes. And this only has one image left, and that's the logo. So now if I go back to my accessibility, now it's telling me that I am missing an alt text for media and images. If I click on the accessibility assistant, it's going to bring me exactly to the thing that needs alt text. And it is going to make an assumption and that it's going to make an assumption for what the alt text would be, or making a suggestion, I should say, for that. and it says description is automatically generated. I would replace this with my own. And so because we know it's not just a logo for a library. And Chris, do you want to put into chat your Magic AI tool link, please? If you've got that handy.
Sure, give me just a second.
Thanks. We just did if you were with us last week, we did a training on, I haven't posted the recording yet. We did a training on using alt text and in images, and we did some practice. This time, I'm going to I just have a logo, so it's not so bad. And, oops, going to turn that back on. I'm going to change this to logo for Geraldine E. Anderson Village Library in Dresser, Wisconsin. Let's see. And note on alt text, you do not have to use punctuation and capitalization. I kind of do it out of habit, but you don't have to because it's just being read by machines. With a blue or with an open book with the left pages colored red and right pages colored. So that's my suggestion for a logo description. Chris in Merrill has been using this alt text generator. So let's just see what the generator says for this. I'm going to save as picture here, put it in my downloads. And upload it to his. And can generate the alt text just without any other description here and just see what it says. And so it gives us 3 suggestions. Logo of Geraldine E. Anderson Village Library featuring a stylized book with a tree design. Oh, he caught a tree. And they are symbolizing knowledge and community, perhaps. Or a logo showcasing a book and a tree representing community engagement, or incorporating book and tree to a motif to reflect education and community spirit.
Yeah, so somehow it saw a tree.
It saws a tree. I see a circle.
So you can put in a lot of times that description optional. You can try to, tell it, open book, red and blue, just to see. And it's because it's telling you formal. It's not going to be just the exact image. It almost tries to like tell a story. So that's why the whole symbolizing knowledge and community. It's just trying to, make it sound nice.
But it's also kind of like we talked in the other time. It's like, what is somebody who's not visually able to engage? Why would you have a colorful logo? You want it to express something. So like it literally, and here it just took it and now it backed it way off, and it doesn't include any of the representing knowledge and community or anything.
Yeah, it just puts in depicting or illustrating, or it's big on using a thesaurus, I guess.
Was it there? So once you have that done, if you're doing a template for a document, you'll never have to really circle back again because that alt text will be there and that one will be good to go. This one just sees this line at the bottom as an image. I would probably just mark that one as decorative because it's not representing anything other than an endpoint to your page. So that takes care of that. So Christy and Stacy, you said that you are getting either no results or you can't get to a navigation page. Have you been, oh yeah, and you can change the tone from formal to other options in there too. Are you able to get to where you can see the accessibility yet, Christy?
I can see the accessibility on the side, but
Mhm.
I can't go, doesn't give me anything. Just a minute, let me read what it says. It says warnings and then check reading order with the number 1 in parentheses.
Okay.
And that is it. When I hit the check accessibility, that's
Mhm.
what pops up.
Okay.
It does not give me the option to go to the navigation to get the other on the other side.
Okay. My guess then is you're using an older version of Word. This has
Probably.
been rolling out some new things. I actually think of some of them have been fairly recent to you. So I think that sounds like something that I remember seeing on an older version that I was using a couple years ago. So
Yeah.
if you're not seeing all of this, note you might be using an older version of Word. Everybody I hate to say the word everybody because Menominee is an exception. And I think there's one other exception I'm not thinking of, but the vast majority of the libraries in Lean, Wisconsin, of you guys basically, is that you have a free Office 365, not free, you have Office 365 paid for subscriptions through the system. So if you're running an older version of Word, or if you're not getting the results, let's talk to us at the tech people and we can look at your setup, because we should be able to get you upgraded into full Office 365 where you would have access to all of these features. So,
And I am doing this on my home computer,
okay.
not my work computer.
So that may be it as well. Yep.
Right. So
Right.
it's probably an old version. I'm just happy to have Word.
Yes. And they
so
would, yes.
maybe
Absolutely.
when I try it on my work computer, it will give me all of these things that you're showing. So I'll watch and pay attention today. Thank
Okay.
you.
Sounds good. And basically, so my message is, if you're not seeing this, let us people at the tech people know, and we can work with you. Oh, Stacy, so you're not seeing anything in the navigation page on the left. Got it.
Right. So like if I click
Yep.
on headings, it just is generic and is like create an interactive outline of your document. And I click on pages. It's like telling me what to do, but I have my document open. So like I click on pages and it shows my document miniaturized. And then results, it just says text, comments, pictures, Word can find just about anything. That's what it says on my navigation side. I don't have it all broken down like yours is giving headings and things like
And
that.
I'm guessing most don't. Or if you do, it's because it's made a guess. This is what we're actually going to segue into next. This is perfect. So Stacy, you're not seeing anything because you're essentially working with a document that doesn't have any kind of heading structure to it at all. So when I went into the accessibility piece, over here, it actually says no headings in document for document structure. It's not actually giving me an error, although that should be an error. But this one does have some structure to it already. When I converted it back from PDF, it took it and it interpreted it as this is probably a heading in here. So it created, because it's formatted in a way, it created a heading. If I were to, I am going to very quickly do something just to show you guys what Stacy is seeing. I'm going to open up one of our board documents. If I can get to my archive. Let's see. Oh, we're going to move this document board. I had it open here and then oh, actually, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to be smart. We just posted one today. January. Okay. So if I were to do something like this, and I was still like, oh, that's a PDF. I was looking for our, there. So this is the WVLS board document. Once it opens. This is what happens when I'm running off my
I
hotspot
say
instead of my.
really
internet.
taxing that hotspot usage.
Yep.
Don't know how much you miss fast internet until it's gone.
Oh, amen. Okay, so this one might actually still have some assumed navigation to it, but this doesn't. Oh, this actually came up with a heading 3 here. So this one still may have some, even though it hasn't been created for it. Okay, accessibility. Again, it says no heading in the document, but there's also not going to be much for navigation in this one. Check and navigation pane. So in this case, it still sees call to meeting as a thing, but there's nothing else other, like you see like agenda and please note are not in the navigation pane over here. And also it comes up with hard to read text and contrast because I've got red, this red color, and it wants me to try changing that. It's going to suggest for me some things to change, and see if I can do that with a darker color that it's happier with. So what we need to do is we need to use styles to add that heading structure, and so that you can actually have, like Stacy will actually have a navigation in a second. I'm going to do that right here on this one. The call to meeting is actually coming up. And so what we're going to be using is in the home ribbon. I want to be back, show you guys all where to be. So when you're navigating at home, you have your ribbon at the top, and this big chunk in the middle is called styles. You can pop it out. It's not super handy when I don't really like this pop out because it's not quite as visual, and it ends up having a ton of information in it that's not really useful. But you can drop this down and see some of this, some of the options they have here. They don't always have it in the order I would like it in, because like the headings are the things you really want to be working with. But in this case, this is very much down at the bottom. So I'm going to not put a title on this document. If you had a long one, you could use title, but I'm going to change this call to meeting to be heading 1. So when I click on that and I click on the heading 1, it's going to move this over to the format that Word suggests for the document. It may not be the format I like for the document. It's what Word has already described for it. So I don't really like that. I want to keep everything in this document pretty much the same as it was. But what I can do is I can highlight this thing, come up to heading 1, right click on it, and click Update Heading 1 to match style. Are you all hanging with me there? Should I back up and do that one more time? So I'm going to highlight the text that I want to be my heading 1, the most important piece of the document. I'm going to go up to heading 1, and when I hover over it, it's going to give me this preview and it's going to move it, and I don't want it where it is. So I'm going to right click and I'm going to update heading 1 to match style, which is the first option it gives me there. Now notice in my navigation, I now have call to meeting as a heading. If you were in a situation where you wanted it centered and you didn't, but you still wanted all the other headings to be in a different format, you can do that. You can adjust, you can tell it to be a heading 1, but make the formatting different for individual areas. We'll go into that in a little bit, but that's basically, I want everything that's heading 1 to be formatted this way. And you can have more than one heading 1 in a document. It really depends on how far down you're going. In this case, it's 1 page. We're only doing one heading 1. However, my agenda and the please note down here, or anything else that's in this case formatted red, I want this to be heading 2. So I'm going to highlight it. I do not want this format for my heading 2. So I'm going to right click on it and I'm going to update style to match selection. And now it's this. Now, if I come down to the please note and I click on heading 2, notice that it's already changed that. And now I have 2 heading 2s that are the same format. Other items of note here. For accessibility purposes, it's not pulling this up as an error on here, but if you were on your web page and in general, the difference between a numbered list and a bulleted list. So these are all numbered lists here. This is a bulleted list down here. A numbered list should be used very specifically when the order of the events matters. So if, and again, Robert's rules might be a little bit different, but when you're talking about accessibility and documents, if you're doing a recipe and step 1, step 2, step 3, these things matter that you have to have them in an order, use numbers. If you're listing off a bunch of things, like for example, under the please notes down here, these things are not necessarily order specific. It doesn't matter whether you talk about whether the agenda has been sent to newspapers before or after the proceedings will be taped. In that case, use a bulleted list in your document. It may not come up as an error in your document, but it is an accessibility thing to keep in mind as you work through. Now, if you wanted to add more navigation, you can create other heading styles to allow to create more navigation. But since this is just a simple agenda, you can just let that one go as it is. But if you wanted to create sub items, or if you wanted to create like list paragraph format so that all of your formats would be the same, you can go crazy with styles and do a lot of very good template formatting for your documents. For today, we're going to keep this pretty simple with an agenda. Again, we need to add alt text to ours. Wisconsin Valley Library Service logo with a tri-colored graphic tree. And you could say representing the connection of independent public libraries in a consortium. There, now I can be. And now it says, look, my accessibility is good to go, looks good, no issues found. If I go back to my Geraldine Anderson, this one already created some headings, but I wanted to go back and make sure that my headings are the way I want them. I actually want my agenda to be heading 1, but I'm going to come up here, I'm going to right click and update heading to match that style. But I don't want these to be heading 1s anymore. I want these to be heading 2. And so then all I have to click on them and make them all heading 2. And you watch my navigation over here is going to be doing the same thing. Actions and reports has already become my other heading style. And then this one, if these are heading 2s, I can update there, or maybe this is actually a heading 2 as well. And then these are heading 3. And I want to update that to match my style. Right click, update heading to match style. And then that becomes heading 3, and that becomes heading 3 as well. Motion to adjourn, I want to be a heading 2 again. And announcement to adjourn, and then next meeting. Hey. How are you all feeling about that? Does anybody want to take a look at a more complex document? Does anybody want to show me what they've got and demonstrate, or are you still working happily on your own? Anybody stuck on anything?
Erica, I wouldn't mind sharing
Sure.
mine because there's just some kind of weird things about it.
Absolutely.
Plus I have some multi-level numbered lists, and I'm a little bit not sure how to handle those or to what depth I need to handle those. So if it's okay for me to share, do you want me to share my screen? Do you want me to upload the document?
I'll go ahead and share your screen, and we'll see how it looks for me to look at somebody else's.
Okay, it says sharing is not turned on,
Oh, that must be
but
because
I sent a request.
there, got it.
Okay,
Thanks.
let's see.
I stopped and started the meeting. That was my fault.
Okay, so let's see. I'm gonna move this. Hopefully you're still seeing it. Are you
Yep.
seeing the trustee?
We were, and
Yeah.
then now we're over on I love PDF.
Fantastic. Let me figure this out. There we go. I think that's it. So like you can see, I've got like my standard agenda that's got some nested numbered lists, but then I also have this text
Sidebar.
over to the side with all of the information about my trustees. So
Let's see.
and then at the bottom, I also have, because we try and keep this on a single page, we have this weird like, it's not a table, we just kind of space
Mhm.
things out to include everyone we send notice of posting to. So any advice you might have about any of those weird
Yeah.
things would be helpful.
Good question. So when you click on that text box, let's start over on the Board of Trustees text box. And if you go up to format at the very top where it says drawing tools and the blue bar, so kind of in the
All right,
middle.
give me a second. My Zoom
Oh, it's
menu is
covering everything up.
Okay,
Yeah.
so we're in format.
Yeah, and see,
then-
click
Okay,
on
it
that
looks like it's
again.
all just listed as subheading.
Yeah.
I did because the accessibility checker identified this as an image, so I did put an alt text. I was like going off my own thing instead of listening to you.
Yep.
I put an alt text that just lists the text that's in that box.
Perfect. That's what I was going to suggest. So that should be absolutely fine then. And so everything in that box is just, you just copied and pasted into alt text.
Yep.
Perfect. Okay, that should be fine. Then what I probably, how else is, let's see, warnings. Oh, the blank characters. So that's coming up.
And that's a lot of like, I did several line breaks to just for visual separation.
What I would probably do for that one, because you've got that piece down at the bottom, you said it's not a table for the notice of the posting piece. I would probably go ahead and make it a table.
Okay.
Because as long as it's a very simple table, Word and we'll work with it accessibly. We'll make it accessible. So I probably would do that just to make sure that it's reading it in that order. But, and then you know how you can take a table and you can make the lines invisible.
Yep.
Yep. Let's see.
And then I guess my question is sort of, how detailed do I need to get with my styles? In an example like this, because you can see under my headings, like I have gone in like, this is a title, this is a heading. I kind of made up some styles because mine were not showing up in the same as yours. I don't know how important it is to be like,
Nope.
Yeah.
Yep, make your own styles, absolutely. And you use it as a list paragraph. I think you're doing exactly what you should be doing.
Okay.
And you are using the hierarchy. My quick question is, like, is the A underneath the 5, like 5A, is that part of a bulleted list, or are you like spacing in to make the A indented?
It's part of the native, like when you
Perfect.
come in and do a numbered list.
Perfect. In that case, the machine knows what to do with it.
Right.
And that's exactly the way you should do it. What I have run into, and actually I'm dealing with in some of our system documents, is there's a lot of like weird tabbing and spaces put in to make things line up rather than using the native built-in stuff like you just did.
Okay.
So no, I think you've got that there. If you wanted to, at the bottom where you've got those spaces, to create another text box kind of thing, But I actually think that I don't see a problem with it. Unless I'm not entirely sure, like screen readers can read blank characters as blank. So they do recommend using like some kind of formatting to create that white space. And that might
Oh,
be
I see. So like using spacing options to just,
yes.
okay, cool.
Yeah, exactly. So put 10 spaces, 10 blank spaces or space after paragraph
Yep.
in that one spot.
Cool.
Yeah.
And I guess my one other question, maybe I'm making this up. I feel like earlier this hour you were able to pull up, maybe it was just this, like the order that a screen reader would actually read this to somebody in.
Yep, and that's as much as you're going to get in your case, because the navigation in this one isn't going to show all of the bulleted or the numbered list, because it's not navigating the entire content.
Right. I mean, and my question about that was really more just to find out, like if someone was using a screen reader, in what order would it read this chunk of information versus this chunk of information, and just sort of curiosity about whether it makes sense to move that around somewhere else so that it flows better,
Megan, is the best way to test this one just use a screen reader?
Yeah.
Cool.
Okay.
Yeah. There's lots of nice screen readers out there.
And they're hard to learn to use. And this is actually probably, Sarah, you're bringing up the black box question, is it's really hard for us as visuals. We are really relying on these accessibility checkers to be like, yeah, it's fine. Short of actually using and learning to use a screen reader and really getting in and testing everything, there's not a really great way for us to guarantee that it's going to read in this order to that order, that order. Maybe in the future it'll give us better visual clues for that, but right now we just have to rely on the accessibility of saying it's okay.
Okay. Awesome. Well, thank you. I thought this was going to be much more confusing, and I actually feel like I understand everything you told me.
Yay. Yeah. And this is start with the easy stuff. And really my advice is exactly this, like start with the things that you use all the time. Start with the easy stuff that doesn't have a lot of visual like graphics involved. And once you feel like you've really got a handle on this and creating styles, then you can start moving into like, oh my gosh, a PowerPoint or something like that, where things don't line up and aren't always in that nice, neat order.
I think for just a quick screen reader, I think the one that's installed on most of the computers, narrator works pretty good for these.
Yeah. So my high advice to you is narrator lives on Windows 11 computers. It's native. You can just turn it on and turn it off. My advice is that you write down the keystrokes for turning it off before you turn it on. And keep that on a Post-it note on your computer, because
Otherwise, it's really
I have
to turn off.
turned it on and I can't get it to shut up.
Could
It will
you
be
say the name
maddening.
of that reader one more time?
Sure. So Windows 11 has a narrator.
What's really fun is when you have two screen readers going at the same time and neither of them will be quiet.
And that you are braver than I am, but I'll just give you a quick, so if you even just go down to the start button and type in narrator, it will show it right there in your system dialog. And then I just clicked away from it. Sorry about that.
I would also pin it to your bar at the bottom so it's easy to get to. You don't have to search each time.
So then you can do this pin to taskbar right here. I'm not going to start it right now because it'll start reading everything over top of everything and you might hear it as it comes on my speaker. But if you click on it, it will bring up the dialogue and it will kind of walk you through how to start it. And it'll do like this is how you use narrator piece. But I don't want to necessarily start that right now and not be able to stop it while we're on a recording. So do it when nobody's around or when you have your headphones in, because it'll really get some attention if your computer just starts talking.
I have it on one of my computers to start when it opens, so it reads me through the login. It's like, oops, sorry about that.
I don't need to hear the intro, so as a startup app, that's kind of smart. And you can adjust speed on narrator and some other things, so you can have it read slower, read more quickly, and have that run down some things. The
You can pick
web
different
pages are
voices.
hard because it wants to read absolutely everything, and you're like, I don't need the header information every single page. And that's some things that when you, like, Megan's more experienced than a lot of us, but if you use a screen reader on a regular basis, you know how to make some of those adjustments on a good web page. Great. Stop share there. Any other questions?
Brought my document
Oh.
to say accessibly good to go.
What happens to accessibility formatting when the Word doc is saved to PDF? Thank you, Kim. We need to circle back. So this one has accessibility is good to go, as does the other. I am going to save this one as a PDF. File, save as PDF. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to save this to downloads. And I'm going to click here to save as
We
PDF.
can't see your
natively.
screen, just so you know.
Thank you. Let me share again. Okay, let me back way up here. Share. Okay, so I've got my my Dresser library agenda. I'm going to come up here to File, Save As. And the Word document, I will drop down and select PDF. And I'm going to save this to a different place because it's saving it to Edge downloads, which isn't useful to me. Okay. And I already have one. I'm going to save it over top of that. Except I have it open, so. Close all tabs, yes. Try that again. Downloads. Save, save. Now, if I go back to my Pave PDF and I start this, this is where we started from the very beginning at the pavepdf.org. And I upload my file. I'm going to use the one I just saved. And it still has some, it says I still have some problems, so I want to see what it says. It's not showing me my not showing me my document. Start that over. Upload new file. Try that one more time. Might have been confused because I had two of the same name. Well, Megan, it's not showing me my document. Is it just being slow?
Probably. I've never had to do that.
I'm still, you guys can all still hear me, right? I still have internet, right? Okay.
We
gonna
can
try-
still hear you.
Try reloading the page, maybe?
Well, maybe I'll try my other one.
Yeah, the top it says drop down. Is there more than one file that they had listed?
I will look.
Mm.
Let me try this one and see if it likes this one better. Oh no, I didn't want file, save as, PDF.
Now, if you did the save as Adobe PDF over there, would that be different?
Yeah, Adobe,
have
yeah, it's not different. It's just Adobe has nested. If you have Adobe on your computer, like it's selling itself. It's basically made it somehow made its way into the Microsoft world and it's just gotten its branding in there. It really actually isn't different. Well, let's see. The only one here is this one. Let me try that one. Open. Okay, it likes this one better. So at least I can look at this one. So it says it made 20 corrections, and the document properties. Oh, okay. So Word did not pick up on this, but Pave doesn't like when you have a Zoom link and there's no alternative text for the link. So it doesn't describe it. And so it's going to tell you that, or where's the, let's see, this one. This is not. Okay, and it wants me to pick a language for it, and it wasn't detecting a language. And let's see, where's my number 2? It's not showing me my things. This and a phone number. It wants the Zoom link and the phone number to actually have alternative text attached to it. And you can go in Word, and you can do that in Word as well, as you can add some alternative text to a link. Let's see. I did do that the other day. Let's see. I think it's under hyperlink in this case. The address. Of course, now I'm trying to remember how I did that. And oh, screen tip. That's what it is. Okay, so when you have a link in a Word document, and up here it will say text to display, but then if you want alternative text, you can add a screen tip. In this case, I would go link to join Zoom meeting. And that way, when the screen reader reads it, it would read it as link to join, because it's virtual attendance connect at, and it would say link to join Zoom meeting rather than reading out HTTPS USO2. The other one is this phone number, which you can add text here. And there's no link in this one. There's not a hyperlink per se, but you can add the screen tip, and you can say telephone number to join meeting. And so then you have that screen tip in there, and that will make the Pave PDF happy again. Okay. And then setting the English or setting the language, that should be part of the document properties, but apparently it didn't, because it does have English for the entire document. Apparently Pave didn't, when it went to PDF, Pave felt like it didn't pick that up. Let's see. And then there's for advanced, and then other element type. You could just say not an other or not relevant. And so then you save those changes, and you can decide whether you're going to make those changes, you know, like if that's part of your template or not. Does that help? Okay. Oh, best practice for naming files. That's not, it's, the screen reader doesn't necessarily pick up on, well, Megan, like because if you have just, if you have the link and you have the name, does the screen reader hit a file? I try to make it make sense, I guess.
Right. I think it depends on the screen reader. Some of them, when they hit a link, just stop. The really good ones would read what the link says.
Okay.
So if you want to give it a name, that would be better. Rather than going HTTPS dot or colon / and then reads out every single letter.
And I've seen, and I've not investigated this thoroughly, but I've seen recommendations in both directions to have a hyperlink text for a link versus having the full link written out. And I think in the case where it's a gobbledygook link like Zoom, it's better to hide it under something, or to make sure there's a screen tip in there, so it would read that alternatively. But in some of those, it's nice if it's a very short URL, you can have, I've seen it recommended that it's actually written out so that somebody could like hear what the URL is and they could navigate to it that way.
Right, and that way if the link is broken some way,
Mhm.
you have it written out. So it's kind of it's hard to decide which is best.
Or if in your agenda you had a link to a document or a web page that you wanted people to review, or in your meeting minutes,
Like
make
a
sure, because
know.
if you're printing the paper, they're going to need, they're not going to be able to click on a link on a printed page. So there's
Mhm.
a little bit. You can use punctuation, and you can also use punctuation in alt text, but just know that the screen reader won't read the punctuation, and it doesn't really affect the speed at which the screen reader reads. So if you do put punctuation into a document, or into a screen tip or into alt text, the machine doesn't really read punctuation the way we would read punctuation.
Yeah, and it
Uh,
doesn't ask for commas and
And abbreviations. I wrote out Wisconsin in the logo description because I think probably states are pretty well accepted, but some abbreviations don't get read appropriately. Okay. Any other questions from today? I hope everybody's leaving here with something to work with.
I did change my red to that more burgundy color, and then it took away the warning for the text contrast.
Okay.
So it's still reddish.
But it's dark enough red that it doesn't.
Right.
I almost wish they would just make that the default red instead of
Mm-hmm.
the other red.
The other thing I tried is I highlighted the text and made it a different color, and then it was okay. So either of those worked with red.
Okay, well, I'm going to sign off while my internet is still good and I'm still connected to you. I'm going to stop the recording and stop my share and make sure that I get this recording posted